Welcome again to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make a delicious guacamole for anyone that wants to show off in a party or just hanging out with friends. Tune in and enjoy. So all we need is 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tomato, 1 lime, a half an onion, a jalapeno, and 3 ready avocados. Now don't forget your lime squeezer. Those are handy. You don't need one, but they definitely make things easier. And of course you want your bowl. And don't forget your knife because you want to chop everything up. So we're going to start by cutting the onions and continuing with the rest of the veggies. As we cut the vegetables, we will add them to the bowl. Continue the same process that you did with the onions with the tomato. Now we can continue the same process with the jalapeno. The jalapeno is not necessary, but we like it because it adds a little spice. Next, we will cut the avocados in half and we're going to slice them like this. Take out the pit. So now we're going to take our 2 spoons and we're going to scoop our avocados out and put them in the bowl. And once they're in the bowl, we're going to start smashing them together. Now, we like our guacamole a bit chunky, but you can make it whatever consistency you like. We'll leave it a little chunky, a little thick, but you can keep mashing it until it's smooth. So once we finish this process, then we're going to add our garlic powder and our salt, and we're going to mix that together. And don't forget your lime juice to enhance the flavor. And now for our final step, we remix all of our ingredients again and top it off with a little cilantro. And if you've stuck around this long, thank you for watching and enjoy your new snack. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button so more people can enjoy our delicious guacamole. Talk to you later.